Kangla Phamthau, Humpumari Ang Pana Laisang jointly observed the 73rd Lining Ngak Senba of Kangla, Laifamlol, Imphal. The observation was attended by hundreds of people from all walks of life. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and other distinguished personalities were present at the event. Directorate of Ayush, Lamphel, in association with State Ayush Society, today held a program on distribution function of equipment and furniture items to Ayush institutions at the 10-bedded integrated Ayush Hospital, Konjeng Laikai, Imphal. The event was attended by Health Minister L. Jayantkumar and other dignitaries. 54th Foundation Day cum Golden Jubilee of Educational and Development Club Nambol Makha Laikai was held at Nambol Makha Laikai Community Hall. Meritorious students of class 10 and 12 were felicitated at the function. One-day legal awareness program was held at Isok Khul, organized by Isok Apunba Club, Royal Academy of Law Oinam, and District Legal Services Authority Bishnupur. At the event, experts talked on the importance of law. Opposition People's Representation for Identity and Status of Mizoram PRISM and Mizoram People's Conference MPC have urged upon the state government to include its 509 square miles of inner line reserved forest area in the proposed Mizoram political map.